Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you click the subscribe button down below, because I got a ton more videos coming out to you guys and a ton more that I've already uploaded. You don't want to miss out on anything. Today's product, what we've got is LED nunchucks. I think they change color. I'm not sure if I picked one that stays a solid color or changes colors. We're going to find out. So let's open it up and check it out. Alright guys, so here is the package. You could see it came packaged actually pretty nicely, pretty compact. It's definitely going to be quite the task to get into. Luckily we've got this karambit knife that I reviewed in another video. It looks like we're getting there. I am worried we're going to end up cutting into something important, so I'm just going to tear the rest of this off. Because what it looks like is it came with a nice little case for them. It sure did. It's kind of like a nice traditional it's got dragons and stuff on it. Nice traditional Asian look going on there because they are nunchucks, which is an oriental style of fighting. Let's open this thing up, and inside we get more packages. So I don't even know what that is. And then let's see what else we got in here. Oh, okay, so we've got an LED diode. That's okay. Okay, you get your nunchucks, a package, and an LED. I'm just very confused. I'm guessing what's in this is the rest of what you need to assemble this thing. So we're gonna break out the knife again. Stop rolling away. This is definitely the most thorough packaging I have ever had on this channel. Ever. You guys know this. Okay, now we got some stuff open here. What you get inside of here is what appears to be your chain. Okay, now I'm getting way more and more confused. So you got your chain, right? And then your nunchucks, and then the rest is a very large question mark. I understand that this screws in, which is really nice because I'm just confused. Let's unscrew the back. See, we've got an LED in here. Ooh, it must have came with batteries because it looks like there's a nice little piece of paper here keeping the batteries from touching. Now let's screw it back in. You can see we're getting light. We're getting light. And these are the multicolor ones. Sweet. It looks like they actually give you a spare LED diode in case one of them goes out on you. That's really nice of them to include. I don't know if it was an accident or not, but we're sure happy that they did that. So this will screw right back in. So the only way to really turn this thing off is to unscrew that and then loosen that part on there. Let's go ahead and screw this chain link in all the way. Okay, perfect. And let's do the same thing on the other side. Everything's screwed into place quite nicely. You can see you got your LED nunchucks right here. So it's got this plastic here on the outside. You can see it's like a clear, kind of, not really clear, a translucent type of plastic. Everything in it is plastic except for your chain and of course the LED components. But it seems pretty sturdy. I have no idea how to use nunchucks, but they seem very sturdy. But they also seem a little finicky. I'm not sure if they're set on a timer and then motion sensing. We're going to find out. We're going to leave them sitting for a second. And hold on, we could test it now. All right, so they're both off. Let's see what happens if I tap it. Aha! Now, if it works once, it needs to work again. That's science. And it sure does. Sweet. So these are actually like impact sensing LEDs, so that way you don't have to worry about leaving it in and connected to the battery, because you could see just by picking that up, it turned on. And just a little tap on the table turned that one on as well. Nice, I like that. That's a way to conserve battery, because we know that LEDs and batteries and stuff from China do not last the longest, which we saw on that UFO spinning thing, because those LEDs ran out really quickly. As far as I can tell, it looks really nice and well made, but you can only tell so much in the light. So we're gonna go take this thing out in the dark and swing it around and whatnot, see how cool it looks, and see if it actually hurts. We might do a little test on Colin, but they seem very safe. They're good practice little nunchucks here. So let's go outside, swing them around, make sure this thing can stand the abuse, and see how cool it looks. All right, guys, let's turn them on. You can see, chain seems pretty sturdy. The lights actually really light up the entire tubes pretty evenly, actually. You see as you swing it around, that chain is actually connected on there pretty good. And yes, I am not a master martial artist at swinging a nunchuck, but, ow. They're actually very safe. Like, I just hit myself in the hand. I hit Colin with it in the face earlier accidentally. Oh no, are you okay? And they're not dangerous. They are great for practicing because they're made of plastic. I mean, it'll hurt if you whack someone in the head. It'll probably hurt, but it won't do damage, like major damage. So these are definitely made for practicing, and like, it looks really cool at night. They're LED nunchucks, guys. Like, I'm probably gonna do some learning, maybe look up a couple videos on YouTube on how to use these things. But essentially, they're really, like, they seem sturdy. I was worried that they would feel like they're flexing, but they really don't. And the LEDs are definitely bright enough to make it look cool. Chain it seems sturdy. Everything about this thing seems sturdy, no matter how intimidating it was trying to use these metal chains with the plastic tubes. It actually works out nicely. One thing I have noticed is that the LEDs don't ever line up. We'll wait for them to turn off and then I'll hit them on at the same time. They turn on and off at the exact same time if you hit them at the same time, but they lose their match. Like, their timing is off as far as when they switch colors. It's pretty close, it's just not perfect. Like, it lined up back there for a second, and now they're just slightly different, but turn off at the exact same time, which I think is cool. They're really nice. Freaking, for not that much money, these are pretty cool. What do you think, Colin?
I'll go for it.
Oh yeah. It's definitely going to be a nice little addition to my weapons. Or I guess practice weapons, you could call this. But I honestly think you could probably put a little bit more weight inside the tube, because it is a hollow tube. But that's dangerous because it is screwed on with plastic, and you put more weight on this thing, it might not be able to support itself, and it might rip out those threads. But with the weight that it comes with this chain, it seems very sturdy. Very nice little product. Very nice little product. Sweet. Alright guys, after further review, these are pretty nice little things. Keep in mind, they are not enclosed on either end. They are actually hollow and exposed. You can see the batteries inside of them. So I wouldn't get it wet. Do not drop these in water. They're not waterproof in any way, shape, or form. But keep them out of the water, and they're pretty cool little things. And this carrying pouch just makes it look that much more authentic. the fact that you toss it in there. It even has a little thing. Keep it tightened down. The lights are still on. You can see it shining through there. But it's honestly really nice, and the fact that they give you spare LED is even nicer. I did not expect something like that. Well done from the manufacturer and the shipper. I'm the shippee and the shipper.
The transit man, middleman.
The middleman. Well, middle person.
Middle person.
We can't assume their gender. Okay. But it's a really nice little product. I enjoyed it. Colin got tapped in the head with it, and he's still alive, as you can see. So it's safe enough to be able to use. Just try not to use it around people. You don't want to whack someone in the head. It will hurt. It just won't kill you. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button right over here. If you want to check out the last video, it's right over by Colin. And if you want to check out the random reviews playlist, it's right over here. Have a great day, everybody. And as always, don't get shot.